baby. Hi. What are they doing over there? Hey? Over there. What are they doing? Hi, Mumsy. Hello, what are you up to? What are you doing, Red? Hey, Big Red. Hey, Big Red. Hello, sweetie. Hello, blue boy. What you up to? Come on. Where's Mommy? There's Mommy. Come on, mate. Come on. Hi. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. She's doing a grand job because they work up their appetites and then they'll have a nice snooze this afternoon. Where's Mr. Blue? Mr. Blue over there in the corner by the blue drums. Well done, Maudie. Hi guys, look at you. We're 7 over here, boy. Oh, careful, Maud. Mr. Blue getting in the way. It's Pink making a quick escape, followed by Purple. Oh, dearie me. You're doing great, guys. You're doing great. No, there's no food left in Mummy. She's empty. You do, Reverend Green. Oh. Hi, Maudie. Right, should we bring him back in, Maudie? I don't want to, but... I'll drink some rainwater. Hi, girlie. Hi, Maudie. Hi, Tango. Hi, baby. Hi. He's a beautiful girl. Hi. Hello, Mum. Hi, everybody. Hello. Hello, Tango. Hi. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's Red. Red was hanging around the corner. Come on in, Maudie. Shall we bring him in, darling? Right. No. Come on, puppies. Puppies. Puppies.
Come on, in you go.
You didn't want to go out, no? You didn't want to come in. Come on then, guys. Come on, Red. Yellow. Now in you go. Well done, guys.
In you go. Come on.
They don't want to go in.
In.
Come on, puppies. Come on. They don't want to go in now. Oi, scallywag. Come on, puppy. Puppy. Come on then. Oh, no. Oh, come on back out. Roll back out. Okay. We'll bring you just that then. No, let him play. Let him have fun. That's what it's all about. Having fun. Isn't that right, babies? Well, there's Mr. Blue. Off he goes. Look at him. Oh, Red. Red. Little clumsy boy. What you doing, girls? Hey, there's no birdies there, no. No birdies. No birdies. No. Anybody in there looking at us? Hello, Maya. Hi. I'd let you come out, but you jump over the wall and disappear down the garden. We can't have that. Oh, me tulips are getting destroyed. But hey, a happy dog's better than a tulip. Oh no! Pretty in pink, hiding in the flowers. He's a mover. You're missing one. Not missing any, are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, The one inside, I wonder. Hi, Tango. Hi, Tango. Have you got there more? Alright, that's it. 7. Okay, I'm going to turn this off, guys. Now, we'll get them in and clean the box out and get them their dinner. Get your din-dins. Yeah. We're going to be here all day. 1 in, 2 out. 2 out, 1 in. What you doing, guys? You having fun? I hope you're having fun. Maudie, don't you dare go over that wall. Now, who's that? What colour is it? All right. Well, there's a slight difference, Mother. It might be blue because he's been running around all morning. You coming in, Maudie? 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 Come on. Here we go. In you go, guys. In you go. In you go. Go on. We're nearly. Nearly. Come on then. Come on, puppies. Come on, you two. It's like kids in school, isn't it? Come on, playtime's over. Get back into class. Right, so I'm going to shut this. You go in the kitchen, Mum, yeah? Come on, guys. Puppies! Puppies! It's going to be a long one. Hello, baby. Hi. Hello, sweetheart. Coming in? Are you coming in? Oh, you're beautiful. I love your head. You're beautiful. Are you coming in? Are you coming in? Hi, hi, sweetie pie. Hey. Yellow, yellow. Who's the other one? Who's the other Aegis? Come on, you. Right, gotta get him in. I was so interested in watching the pups. Just wander around with the camera. Not really filming anything. You doing some gardening? Are you? You having fun? That's what counts, guys. It is. And it's Reverend Green. Hi. Right, I'm going to turn this off because I get these in. It's dark. See you later, guys. I'll grab a bit of video while I can. Who's that? That's Big Red. And that's Professor Plum. Hey, Plumsy.
Hi.
Come on, Tango. Now, sunny and breezy. Yeah. Here we go over here. Hi, Maudie. Maudie. Maud, where you go? Hi. Hi, sweetie. Here you go, Mr. Blue Sky. Where's he going? Careful. Hi, Mr. Blue. Hi, Mr. Blue. Here you go, Maudie. Hey, Blue. Hi. Hi. Hi, puppies. Hello, Blue. Hello. Hello. Hi, Red. Hello, big guy. Hi, girls. Hey, Tango. Pink. Hello. I'm sniffing like hell to the bloody wind. They'll discover it. Just let them play.
Here you go. Oh, where are you? Hey, it's you, hello. 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 Yeah, hello there. Hello. Go.
Hello, Professor Plumsy. Hi, Plumsy. Hello, who are you? Mr. Blue. Hi, Pinky. Hi, Pink. Lovely tail, isn't it, darling?
No, who's there?
That's Reverend Green on your right, by the door. Reverend Green. Oh, don't worry about it. and pick things up and explore and experiment and go running back in again.
She's gone off with a
Chunk of mud. All doing good. What's Red doing? One behind you.
hiding behind me.
Oh, he says to find some more. I know. Oh, Morty's doing a bit of gardening or whatever. Oh, look, a puppy. Where did he come from? I wonder if that's blue. Or is it purple? I think it's blue. Hey, blue boy. Hey, Mr. Blue. What you trying to do? Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing, hey? You silly bugger. Hey, what are you doing? You having fun? Come on, Ned. Let's get the rest of them. I'm going to put this down and bring the rest of them out.